Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. What I'm gonna tell today might hurt a few people, but this is the harsh reality, guys. Not many people practice before they actually go and write the final exam. If you see, probably 10 to 15 people will write test, will practice, and then they will go to the final exam. And if you see the pass percentage, that is the 10 to 15 percentage of people who are actually passing. Now we have it in our muscle memory also. 14, 15 years of school, we have practiced this, that we write n number of tests before we go to that annual exam, before we go to that board exam. We write unit tests, cycle tests, quarterly, half yearly, so many things. And then only you go and ace your board examinations. Dhira tests, when we started, we were very, very clear in our intention. It is not for money making, especially this Dhira test series. It is purely for helping the students see that successful. This should be part of your study preparation because we are charging just 1,999 guys, and we are giving you 21 tests per group. Each subject you will be writing 7 tests. Nothing great, we have just mimicked what happens in schools. You start off with your quarterly exam. This you can start while you are watching the lectures itself. You finish 25% of the lectures. Don't keep on watching the lectures. You need to know whether whatever you are watching has actually entered your head, whether you have understood the way it is actually intended to be understood. You need to test yourself here. Once you finish your 25% of watching lectures, revise and write a test to understand whether you are in the right track. Then you go to the next 25%, and then again you write the test. Then you go to the next 25%, again you write the test. Trust me, by the time you actually finish watching the lectures, you will be done with one time revision. And after that, you go to your 50% test. You write 2 tests, 50% of the syllabus for 100 marks. This is like your half yearly. And then finally, you go to your 100% mock test. Now, once you do so many tests, now some people will be like, ma'am, how is there so much of time to do all of these tests? No issues. At least do the 4 tests and then do the 1 mock test. You can skip this if there is no time. But if you're writing only one group, we will give you the schedule as to how you can write all the 7 tests per subject. Totally 21 tests per group. Here, if you see in the Dhira test website, you can go here, select the group, and you can purchase, like I said, only 1,999 for 21 tests you are going to get. And these tests, no self-evaluation and all of those things. We will be giving you a quality evaluation, and this evaluated answer sheet you will get within 72 working hours. How is the evaluation happening? If you see here, we'll give the feedback. This person has scored 19 out of 50. Could see conceptual understanding, but need to use more keywords to obtain maximum of marks. Write the question number carefully. Maybe he has done the mistake. That question number was not done properly, not written properly. And lastly, great potential. Rectify all these minor mistakes. You can definitely score much more. And for each of the question also, use technical words. Refer the suggested answer. All of these things. Question number needs to be clearly visible. See here, question number. Student has not written properly. All these mistakes you don't do in the final exam. Once you do in Dhira test, you will understand, oh yes, I made this mistake. When you're writing the final exam, you will know. All these mistakes should be avoided. I got the feedback. All these things will automatically come to your mind. That is the reason why practice has to be there. See here, wrong question number. I'll show you another evaluated answer sheet. We also have something called as SPA score for speed, performance, and accuracy. How is your presentation? That is your performance. How is your speed? Whether you're able to complete all the questions in this time period, and how accurate are your answers. This person has gotten 23 out of 50. The feedback is given. Presentation needs to be improved. Write relevant answers. Revise the concepts to understand the question better. This person has fared pretty well, 4.5, 5 on 5, pretty well. I think in the end, answer is completely irrelevant. Please refer the concept book or ICI, 0 out of 5. Like this, the feedback will also be given. Don't write own stories for each of the questions also. And overall feedback will also be given. See, all these feedbacks, it will go and sit in your head. And when you're writing the final exam, it will flash in your head. I made all these mistakes. I need to be extra careful now. This is the practice that you have to make before you go to the final exam, guys. This is all that you've done all your life. Then imagine CA as a course. How can you just watch the lectures, then understand for yourself and directly go and write the exam? That is definitely not the right way. Now, if you are situated in Chennai and if you want to write the offline test, you can come any day to our office in T Nagar from after the results. After results, the premise will again be available for all the students who are writing the test. So from this day, probably in 1 month's time, you can start coming to the premises and you can start writing the test offline also. Now, after you purchase, what are the steps to do after purchasing? I told you where you have to go and purchase. Once you purchase, you will get the WhatsApp group link in your email ID. Now, why is this WhatsApp group important? Any further communications will be given in the WhatsApp group link. You will be tied to a mentor. The mentor connect calls will happen almost every single day. You can just hop into the link, hop into the mentor connect call, talk to the mentor, understand when you can start writing the test, what is the schedule that you have to follow. Don't do the schedule for the entire period till your exam. Start off with 2-week schedule. Then the next 2 weeks. Then you will get a hang of it. Then you can make your own schedule. Now, if you want to look at the schedule, you can just go to the Dira Test website. Here, there is a schedule tab which is given. If you click on the schedule, you can see the schedule here itself. I told you 7 tests per subject. For accounting, in test number 1, what is the syllabus? In test number 2, what is the syllabus? Test 3, 4, with this 25% is over. Test number 5 and 6 is your 50% syllabus. Test number 7 is your 100% mock test. So the syllabus is also given here, and customized schedule for each individual student will be done in the Mentor Connect call. Now, if you have noticed, there is also GROW and group. This is for the students of CA classroom. The classes, if you have seen, will be in 4 different folders: part G, part R, part O and part W. Once you finish part G lectures, you will come here and you will finish the test. Part R lectures, come here, finish the test. Part O lectures, come here, finish the test, and same thing for W. Then you finish GR and then you write the 50% test, and it keeps going on for all the 6 subjects the same way, guys. I told you about the schedule. Once the schedule is done in the Mentor Connect call for 1 week or 2 weeks, whichever is comfortable for you, you will be discussing with the mentor, and then you complete that syllabus and then you write the test. Now, it is not like one time Mentor Connect will happen and after that we will leave you to write the test on your own. Some people will want accountability calls. Like I said, the mentor calls is going to happen almost every day in the evenings, 4 to 5 or 5 to 6. The link will be given in the WhatsApp group. Whenever you want, you can just hop into the call and talk to your mentor. Last week I wrote this test. This week I was not able to go as per the plan. Can I change the plan? Like that, you can have this connect with the mentor. And once you say you have written the test, there will be probably 3 or 4 other students with you in the Mentor Connect call. The other students will also get motivated. Oh, he has written the test last week. I should also write the test. So make use of the Mentor Connect calls. Tell yourself every other week I will hop onto this call, talk to the mentor, be in touch with the mentor. Use this for accountability purpose also. I already explained how the tests are aligned with the GROW schedule with the CA classroom classes. So it is up to you whether you want to take the test along with classes or you've taken the classes somewhere else also. Here you can come and write only the test. You can take only the tests in Dira test series. That is also possible. Ma'am, can I take tests only for descriptive? Is this only enough? I want to practice only MCQs. Yes, you can come here to the website. In the website, there are free MCQs. If you click on CA Inter, okay, there is some issue, but here I've showed you. If you click on CA Inter in the free MCQs, you can see different sets for subjects. Each subject will have about 7 or 8 sets. That means totally 240 MCQs are available per subject, and it is a free resource. Anyone can come and attempt these MCQs. Try for yourself. Maybe traveling time, you want to test your knowledge, you can do these MCQs at that time. So don't worry, even if you cannot purchase the full test series of Dhira bridge test and all, at least do these MCQs so that you know conceptually wherever you are standing. Yes, guys. And yes, if you have any other doubts with respect to Dhira test series, you can always get in touch with me. I am giving my personal number to all of you here. For any kind of doubts, you can get in touch with me. I'm always available. I will definitely text you. I will text you personally in this number if you message me. And yes, guys, all the very best. I'm just giving an open challenge. If you finish all the 7 tests and the schedule that we are giving, if you do it meticulously, religiously, if you follow, nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop you from seeing that successful in the pink screen. It is an open challenge for you all. But have that commitment and then register in the Dhira test series, guys. All the best, guys.